Right there.
I got you. That's what I'm on.
Roger. Roger. Go, 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 go! He's in there! He's in there! He's in there! He's in there! He's in there!
You know, people are complaining, so.
Okay, I'll take it.
Such solid, fast, snappy peaks that I had my shot waiting.
I'm counting your rounds.
I didn't see you guys come over there. We're just double checking everyone. I cornered you guys. I didn't see you come over.
Oh, all right.
BBs. Yeah, we re-cornered everyone.
Okay, okay, okay.
We'll wait.
2-8.
I guess so. Good rig.
Hit. I just want you to know.
Oh my God! They killed Kitty! You bastard!
Welcome back to another episode of Code Name Ruby. This episode we'll be playing at Bing Airsoft Field located in southern Illinois. Yo, this map is huge. I mean, we have barrels and trenches, we have busts, all that. Yo, and also in this episode you see a lot of fast plays, some ref if shoes, but a lot of great players. But let's get right into this. First map, we're playing push on shipment. Let's get right into it.
I see him. I see him. Wait, wait, wait. There's a guy. That barrier right there. See him?
Oh, that's a bad guy?
No, right here.
Oh, I see him, I see him.
Yeah, that's the bad guy.
Oh, he's out, he's out.
You said he's out?
And this player swears he got me, but as I pull it back to slow-mo replay, like I didn't get hit by anything, and that ping you're hearing, it's actually a branch. Watch. Right about here.
They're gonna move by over here real quick.
Hit. Oh yeah, that was your face.
Nice.
5 minutes left.
Hit. Hit. Some? We only got one life?
It's hard, man, definitely.
Why you still back here for?
I'm reloading.
My arm hurts.
Well, to be honest with you, if they're flanking that way, the best thing we can do is avoid this half right here. So here's what you want to do. You want to hit this wall right here, right in front of us. Bam. You want to hit them blue barrels, or at least that building and then this building, right? Because that means we own this half of the field. To get them to win on that side, you have to get past this bush right here, because they can see us on this bush. You feel me?
I know there's one guy holding that, but I could have killed him, but my gun, I have to pull this down every time I switch mags.
Oh, wow.
What's that?
You see my hand? You see my hand? I put my hand up. You're right there. You saw me. Roger. Roger.
50 seconds.
Wait, 15 seconds?
50.
50?
5-0.
Guys, don't get this transform in your head, please. So guys, walk back. Everybody just walk back.
Hit. I just want you to know.
10, 9, 8,
Bro!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I just want you to know. I came back. I was right there. Homie right there saved your life.
What?
I said homie right there saved your life.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My bad, dude.
You good?
I didn't mean to shoot you walking through.
No, see, when I'm like,
I'll
when
get.
someone smacks me, I'm like, all right. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's true.
The door's on that side.
Way back. Come on. Oh.
We're not allowed to go in the brush over here.
Oh, we're not?
No, there goes your plan.
Fuck. That means I gotta really. So fuck this building right here.
What are you gonna do? Skip to the third one up there, past those that line of barrels?
What? Roger. So fuck this building right here. That building in front of it. That's our choke point.
Past that line of barrels.
Err!
You're definitely beating me, but I'm on your ass.
Yo, you wanna see some real speed, bitch? I'll show you some real speed.
Remember, guys, don't go in the brush behind the chrono.
Yeah, I banged it through the window, the dreadlock.
Bitch, swear.
I definitely feel like I got to the window, shot, pulled the trigger, and eliminated these two way before they even got the words bang bang out. See, they weren't even looking in my direction until they started getting hit. But I'm gonna let you guys decide this down in the comments below. Did I get them? Did it get me? How do you feel about it?
Gotcha, bitch.
Bang, bang me. Parlay.
Now you see something that you see now. You done fucked up, you know that, don't you?
Game on! What's the ice cream truck? Yeah, the truck. That was me. My bad, Pikachu. All right, look. Ice cream truck, right? The second one, close to the building. There's a kid in a white shirt on the end of that building, all right? You see him? See the second ice cream truck? Yep. By the net? Yep. Keep him suppressed. Ooh. Moving up on you, bro. 1 second.
Don't shoot me.
Roger. Oh, he's right here. He's right here in the corner.
Hey, don't touch back. Don't go back. Don't lean back. I can push it.
Guys, I said we can stay out of the brush over here. Holy cow.
Ice cream truck.
Oh, you get him? No, he's not though. That's it. That's my friend. That's right. I think I saw one. Oh, that's a teammate. What do you got going in front of us?
Ice cream trucks are busy. All right, we're gonna
Ice
see.
cream truck. What the fuck?
There's two of them right there. Yo, watch this building over here for me.
Which
Right
one?
there.
I got you. That's what I'm on.
Roger. Roger.
Of my knowledge, not everybody knows that.
I didn't hear it. Just keep shooting if you peek. Alright. First one looked like it bounced off the ground. I didn't hear the second one. Don't want it. Huh? Yeah, you ain't supposed to shoot while I'm staring at him.
See what I mean?
Yeah, I ain't worried about it.
As I take the building, I engage in these intense firefights with the snipers behind the ice cream truck. But I'm also staying super mindful that to keep looking out on my right side and making sure A, that the enemies don't bunch up behind the tower, and B, that I have a clear path to run inside the tower before the clock runs out. I barely survived that by the skin of my teeth. If it wasn't for the way that I bladed my body and pied the window, I most definitely would have been eating soup through a straw.
gonna go down.
Red! Red! Red!
And now that I softened up the defenders, I go back over my corners, both left and my rights, twice, before I make my mad dash into their tower before they can do anything about it. And I wait them out right here in this corner using the sunlight to my back to see their shadows as they try to run up behind me.
Bang, bang.
I was like, this is the last 2 seconds. I'm gonna try and get this guy, man.
No, I bang him.
Well, whatever. We
You
parlayed.
were. I got it on camera.
We parlayed.
Easy. He has no positive control of his weapon, running up into the tower, screaming bang bang while I'm sitting there with my gun drawn on him with me properly saying bang bang. I totally killed this guy, survived and won, but hey, what do I know? Comment down below.
You're having such solid, fast, snappy peaks that I had my shot waiting for
I'm
you to
counting
peek.
your rounds.
You were always in firefights with everybody? And I was like, okay, he's about to peek this way. Then you go the other way. And someone's going to rush you, and then we get bang bang or something like, God damn it, can we get him?
Told you.
You know, people are complaining. So.
Okay, I'll take it.
It's like a bunch of second graders fighting over who gets the kickball. Never heard such whiny SOBs.
Beautiful Sunday. I haven't seen anything, so I can't do anything about it.
I feel you. Yeah, we gotta get more of our people in that tower than they got. And vice versa, because they got good in ours.
We're allowed to go in our tower and shoot from
Yep.
Awesome.
So they can do the same.
Yep.
Pikachu has a good pistol.
What?
They have a pistol.
Just you guys. I didn't see you guys come over there. I just wanted to know. We're just double checking everyone. I cornered you guys. I didn't see you come over. Or them.
Oh, all right.
Okay.
Yeah, we regrown everyone.
Okay.
But wait.
2H.
I guess so. Yeah, Raker.
People are just scared.
Okay, you're good. Next.
Exactly.
Ready.
I'm just gonna.
Game starts in 3, 2, 1,
Go. He's in there. They gotta come over here. Right there. Wait. 12 o'clock. Shh. 12 o'clock. He's at 12 o'clock. Don't shoot, wait till he comes out. He's waiting for us. He's looking for us. He's coming. He's right here.
Hey guys, I want to cross the bridge. You're out of bounds. Come back to town field, please. This is a private group. Private group.
Amongst the chaos, I can hear that the player is telling the ref that he thinks that we went on the other side of the bridge, but we're actually all hiding right here in these weeds. But we can clearly see this man, but I can't exactly tell if I'm hitting him or not because the weeds are so thick and I can't exactly see the BBs.
Y'all don't really want it like here comes the here comes the here comes the y'all don't really want it like here comes the
Seeing the two enemies through the brush, I hide, and you can clearly hear the players get frustrated because they think that they're hitting me, but I sit here the entire time and leave it recording the entire time, and they miss. Some of the BBs actually bounce off the branch right in front of me, and it ricochets, and it just goes all over the place. They're completely missing me. Just watch, you'll see.
Total.
Hit!
And just like that, it is game over.
Damn good deal.
Thank you very much for watching this episode. Please make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. It really helps me in my efforts in supporting the Airsoft community. Thank you very much. And if you've seen yourself in the video, go ahead and comment where you seen yourself, man. And I'll definitely give you a shout out. Thank you very much. And also, if you got some Airsoft videos, some cool headshots, some cool 360 sniper kills, or even some shotgun kills, I would totally love to see that. So go ahead and submit it down below, comment your email, and I definitely love to get in touch with you. Thank you very much. You guys are awesome.
Maybach.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?